right, gentlemen, I have an important announcement from National Park Headquarters in Seattle. They want us to operate and create a drone program for our nice little Eagleton State Park. The objectives of this drone program is to ensure public safety in the park and to supplement any other areas which we deem need improvement. So get to it.
So what do we want to use this drone for? I suppose we could use it to monitor vegetation life in the park and track game wildlife.
Maybe search and rescue.
Yeah, a lot of people do get lost in our park. It's kind of small, but you'd be surprised.
What about mapping historic landmarks?
There are a couple in the park. People don't know that about Eagleton, but
Alright, so I was told by the headquarters to focus on the main objectives and the benefits in the community, the legal guidelines in order to get this program off the ground, and for the public maintaining their safety and their privacy, including transparency as well. For the tasks, I'll handle community engagement since that's the most daunting. And for y'all, I'll let you pick from the other two. It really doesn't matter to me personally, as long as it gets done.
So I chose to do the legal stuff. I'm not a lawyer, but I'm pretty handy with Google, so I should be able to get it done. Doesn't sound too hard or too daunting as compared to the community engagement stuff I hear. That can be really scary. Sometimes the boss is a little too blunt with his delivery, but it's alright. I think we'll get it done. We'll have drones flying around in the park in no time.
Alright, we'll probably use these to find the people that wander off the trails and get lost, or the tracking of wildfires that will spread from California all the way through Oregon to us, and then mapping historical landmarks.
So my job is to do community engagement, and what that entails is making sure that the community is okay with and informed about our new drone program. Also, my job is to make sure that the community is involved, they feel safe within our parks still, that they're informed, and to make sure that they have a good time, no stress, no worries with this program. But oh my gosh, why did I decide to do this? I mean, I have terrible people skills. The higher up, now listen here. See, the higher up said that it was gonna be an easy job. This is not easy. I have zero people skills. I didn't even go out of my house until I was 4. Much less talk to women. None of that. Why would I do this? All because I wanted to look cool in front of my subordinates?
Don't quit your day job yet. UAS pilots in the National Park Service typically fly drones as a secondary duty to their other responsibilities in the park. Pilots starting out on a variety of positions, including mapping, specialist law enforcement, and manned aircraft.
So I've been doing the research on the legal aspect of our drone program, and so far, federally, I found the Part 107 regulations. So apparently, one of us needs to go out and get our 107 certificate before we can start flying in the state park legally. Then in the Washington State Legislature, there is a statute 352.32.130 that states no aircraft shall land or take off from a body of water or land in a state park not specifically designated for aircraft landing. This provision, however, does not apply to official aircraft used in the performance of search and rescue, medical emergency, law enforcement activities, emergency evacuations, or firefighting activities. It also does not apply in cases where the director or designee specifically authorizes such landing. So, I mean, all we have to really do is check with the boss, and the boss is the one who gave us this task. So, like, pretty sure it's okay with them, and I'm pretty sure it's okay with the higher ups. So, as far as state law goes, I think we're legal, but we still need to nominate someone to go get their 107 certificate. Personally, I think it should be me. I mean, I'm a pretty good test taker. And I heard from a buddy that the FAA tests are like multiple choice with 3 response answers. It's like basically a guaranteed A, so I'll probably get on that soon.
So to address some of the community concerns that we anticipate will come up in this upcoming town hall meeting, we're going to have a no recording policy for the drone usage at any time. That way this will address the concerns of the community's concerns over their privacy, and like a rock, paper, scissors, shoot will nip that in the bud. Another thing that we're going to do is that we're going to have a publicly available, we're going to make all the data that is collected from our activities publicly available on our website. So if you go to www.eagletonparkisthebest.org, you can see all the data that we collected from our preservation efforts, also from like the tree health, because trees are important. All right, so today's the town hall meeting. Really looking forward to getting some work done. Let's get to it. I don't know why nobody showed up. I mean, I sent the flyers out to the council the other day. Maybe they didn't see them? Maybe I... Yeah. So, our last meeting was a complete disaster, to put it lightly. Did we have anybody show up? No, right?
I don't think anybody showed up. I mean, you were supposed to hand out the flyers, weren't you?
No, that was you. I thought I told one of you to hand out the flyers.
I don't know. The point is moot. I mean, we're gonna try again, right?
Yeah, we'll try again. We'll do it the following week after we get real flyers this time.
Okay. On a side note, I got my 107 certificate, so we're all legally set and ready to fly as soon as we get garner support from the community and actually pick a drone.
But we decided to go with the Mavic 2 Pro.
Mavic 2 Pro.
Oh,
It fits within our budget.
excellent choice. All right, we're here for the second town hall meeting. Made sure to send out the flyers for real this time. Let's get to it.
Good.
So this second town hall meeting was a great success. We actually got people to show up this time, and I think there's really good community engagement and exchange of what we want to do with the program and what the community wants to do with the program. what else also got accomplished was that we were able to showcase how other parks have used drones and how we're gonna use drones in our park to reflect the community's values concerning privacy, potential uses, and possible future applications. I think we were able to convince the community that drones in our park, in Eagleton Park, the best park, is the way to the future. And so now all we're waiting for is waiting for our new Mavic 2 that we got off the sweet deal off of Craigslist, by the way. The buyer, we actually got a really good deal from our seller. He only requested 6 money orders of $9.99 compared to DJI's many money orders of much money. I think we're in for a sweet deal.
So, got an email today, went downstairs, the Mavic 2 is here. I already took the top off the box, but I haven't looked. I'm very excited to see. I didn't really think that this was the kind of box it came in, but I mean, our boss got it from some sketchy guy off Craigslist, so who knows. I thought they were a little bit bigger than this, but I mean, I don't know, I guess we have to speak with the boss. I mean, I can't believe this cost that much money. It seems like we got ripped off. I don't know, let's open it anyway. Because it's supposed to come with a camera, and this is like as big as a camera, so I don't know how that's gonna work. I don't think this is a Mavic 2. I think we got ripped off.
Well, I guess I learned my lesson here. Don't trust everything you read off of Craigslist.
So even though we apparently don't have a Mavic 2, we figured we might as well get started. This can at least teach us the basics of how to fly a drone, and so that when we eventually do get more funding, hopefully we can actually properly use a Mavic 2 and maybe not buy it off Craigslist next time. So with that, I'll have my visual observer begin reading our checklist.
All right. Step 1, read all warnings and instructions.
Done. I already did it.
Step 2, install batteries. We did that.
It's totally done.
Step 3, make sure the drone and the remote are powered off.
They're both in the off position.
Cool. Step 5, charge batteries.
Done.
All right, choosing a location. We chose it. All right, completed.
Right here.
Step 3, starting your drone actually. Says make sure your remote is off. It is.
Off.
Choose a flat, even surface.
Floor.
It says turn the remote on, bring the throttle all the way up, and then bring it all the way down. You don't need that.
What?
No, you don't need it. And then step 4, drone's ready for flight. Yeah, sure. Let it rip. Woo.
Clear prop.
Clear prop.
Let's try that again. Okay, now clear prop.
Clear prop.
Apparently we need some practice.